Hi students. So I welcome you all in today's lecture. The lecture is lecture number 9, Elementor Pro eShop. In today's lecture, we gonna see multiple things which will revolve around the eShop and WooCommerce. Moving forward, so what we will learn today, we will learn about Elementor custom header integration in depth, in detail. So how we can just make it default header, and then we'll see that which was the thing left from the last lecture. It was how to make the header shrink on scroll. So when we'll scroll it down from top to bottom, so it should shrink its size, its logo, its font size, and it can also change the background color on scroll. So I'll tell you in today's lecture. And then we'll see the complete WooCommerce setup, how to set up the complete plugin into our website to make it the complete e-commerce. And then we will just upload simple 2 products just to see them some future settings, some further settings. And in upcoming lectures, we will be just studying the products in detail. For now, for this lecture, we'll upload 2 products. Then we'll see the WooCommerce customization options. We'll go to the custom theme customizer, and so now when we have uploaded the you can say the WooCommerce plugin, so it has given us some theme customization options for WooCommerce. So we'll look after that, and in the very last, we'll just start with the designing of home page of the web shop, because we have already developed about page, contact page, maybe more or less FAQ page. So uh, and a shop page is also ready. So we'll design the home page and shop page, and our website will be ready. Okay, so the task is just that you have to practice the given lecture on your servers. So let us move towards the browser in order to tell you further things. First of all, our first task was Elementor custom header integration. So uh, first of all, we'll see that how to make a custom header. Then we'll be going in templates. Okay, and we'll open these save templates. Okay, then this is a template which I have already saved or uploaded just to show you the things. Okay, now I'll go into new templates. Okay, so I'll make this the name with the header. Okay, custom header, and then I'll make it content layout full width, and I'll hide this title. Okay, now I'll publish it. Sure, and then I'll edit this by Elementor. The Elementor editor is right now opening and it is loading. So in this editor, we'll just design our header, and after that, we'll see how to integrate it. Okay, so right now I'll be going into this section. And I'll open the blocks. I'll go to header. Okay, I'll upload any of the header which I like. Suppose I'll just upload this one. Okay. Now I'll make this section full width. Okay, and I'll split this section. Sure. And I will just go to advanced and I will make this, let's say 30. Yeah, 30 is okay. So now I'll update it. Then I'll see that how it looks on mobile. Sure, it looks very cool, very beautiful. Everything is fine. Okay, this is our logo. This is our menu. And I'll just change this to main menu. Now it is showing our main menu. Maybe I'll make it -50 because we see this border. So we're gonna want to it to stick to very top, not 550. Yeah. Okay. And desktop use 50. Sure. So now I'll come back to this. I'll open my website. So you'll be seeing that it is showing the default header now. And okay, it is not showing the default header. It is showing the header which I changed, but it is not looking very professional, very good. So I'll just change it back. Maybe I've also changed the footer. Yeah. Okay, so now it is not showing the footer and header of the theme. Header is also changed from the theme and footer is not available. So let this customizer be open. Okay, so now first of all, we'll enable the footer widgets just to show the theme's default footer and footer bottom. Let it be fully loaded first. Okay, now I'll go to footer widgets, maybe here, not here. Yeah, here. I'll enable these footer widgets. I'll publish it. Okay. Then I will go to footer bottom. Yeah, right here. I'll enable this one. I'll publish it. Okay. Now, when I'll be refreshing this page, it must show me footer and footer bottom. Just below this. Okay. Now we have both of the things here. And I want this header to be shown as my main header. Then I'll go to general. For minimal, I'll go into themes default. For transparent, I'll go into theme default until that. So now this is our custom header and okay. So now It is not showing in the okay, let me see that if it is showing. Okay. This the panel library. So these are the two ways from where we can just okay. So now I'll go into this save templates and yes. I'll just refresh this. It should also show me this template, but it if it is not showing in the save templates, we can go to this library. One part is the templates. We can also make some templates of Elementor here, and we can also make some templates in the my library. So it is showing the my library template from the yesterday's lecture, but it is not showing from Elementor templates. Let me see what is the error, and I want to solve this error in front of you. If it is, then if it is not solved, we'll just make the new header into my library and I'll upload it into default themes header, and I'll integrate it, and then we'll see header shrinking on scroll. Let it be refreshed by then. Okay. Now I'll go into header in general. Sure. Then, okay, so it is not showing. So I'll just trash this out. And I'll go to my library and I'll go to add new. Let me see if it is directly copied here to this. Now I'll apply the same changes here. I'll publish it. I don't want to make it again, so I'll save this as template custom header. Okay, so now I know the difference between this. The theme panel is just if I want to create any header and footer and I want to integrate as theme as themes default, I want to replace the header and footer, and this template is just relevant to this what I've just done. I can which I have just shown you in the last lectures, that if we can save any template and we can reuse it, so that is regarding this. Okay. So if I want to create a header and footer, I'll go to theme panel and my library. Sure. Then I'll just go into this editor. So now I'll go into the templates and I've saved that as template. Okay, we have this custom header. I'll just import the document settings. Okay, see, now we have this as our custom header. Now it should show up here. Okay, let it be refreshed. Okay, so I guess it is taking a lot of time. Yeah, so now I will go to header settings, not these, just below these. Yeah, header, general, and now it is showing custom header. Okay, so it should show this custom header here. You see, we have this custom header here now successfully, and it is sticky by default. Let me show you why it is sticky. Okay, so I'll go into this custom setting. I'll go into advanced, and you will see in motion effects. Yeah, sticky on desktop, tablet, or mobile. So suppose if you haven't these options, so it in the drop down it is showing the three options. So you'll just press the plus icon or plus icon here on mobile. Okay, now it is sticky on scroll. Okay, so I'll just refresh this page. So it looks quite fine. Yeah. Now I want the color to change on scroll, and I want it to be shrink on scroll. So just open this link, elementor.com/blog. Suppose if I want header shrink on scroll Elementor, just write this and open this. The first link. Now it is a step-by-step tutorial that how you can just, okay, we have the same header. You see, this is shrinking on scroll. So we want the same thing at our backend. So just follow the steps. We have this header template. We have to just perform some basic CSS housekeeping. So what we will do then, number one, we have done with the number one. We're going to number two. Okay, then it says that to perform this, you'll go into next section. You'll want to perform little housekeeping. First, open the settings of the section. Okay, I am going for the section settings, and what it says, just go here and make it header. So I'll go to layout, and see if it is header. Yes, it is header. And then I will also in the layout tab set the header's minimum height to 90 px and should be box 1200. So minimum height is 90 already, and it is full width box 1200, and yes, it should be stretched. Next thing would be you can customize later on, but start with the 90 pixels for now because I want this minimum height. And then go to advanced tab and write the CSS class sticky dash header. Copy it from here and just write it here, CSS class advanced. It must have, okay, it is not have. So I'll just write this sticky header here. I'll update it side by side. Okay, next part is finally open this image widget and can see your logo. Advanced tab, then set your logo images CSS field equal to logo. I'll open this. I will maybe go to advanced. It's surely here, and a logo class. Then I will set some motion effects. I'll go to advanced and I'll go to the sticky top. Go to the section setting and I will go into motion effects. It should say sticky top, and if I don't want it to be sticky in mobile or tablet, I can do it. But this is showing for the desktop. I've made it for both all of three, and I should set this effects offset to 90. Okay, offset means from where it is starting the position. And okay, then next is add some custom CSS. Okay, just copy this CSS and go into the section advanced. We are already here, the whole section settings, and go to advanced custom CSS and just write your CSS here. And okay, now just save it and let us see if it is working or not. So how it is looking on here. So it is changing color to dark blue. Let us see that what it gives us. Okay, you see now it is getting shrink. See the height and the logo. Yes, it is shrinking. Now I want this color to be maybe black. Let us just update it. So you'll see that on shrink, this is changed to black. Cool. And the transition is the changing speed here in the 3 seconds. And it is in and out transition. Okay, so this was header shrinking on scroll. And then what is the next thing to do? WooCommerce complete setup for you guys. Okay, then I'll go to dashboard. So now we have already uploaded this WooCommerce. It is now showing this setup. Now I'll go to start selling. It will be taking me to this setup wizard, and it will ask me some details about my store. So maybe I'll just give it house number 8 ABC Street 42, ABC Town. Yeah, then I'll just give the country. Maybe for you people it is Sweden, and for me it would be Pakistan, Punjab. Okay, so the left side is country and the right side is region, and then my city would be Lahore. Postcode would be 54,000. The postcode is for cities. Like we can just find it out. Postcode of Lahore. It must be 54,000. Yes, it is 54,000. You see here. And this is my email address. I don't want these tips and anything, the main box from WooCommerce. Okay, so yes, count me in because I want to make the shop with the WooCommerce. Then it is asking me for in which industry your store does operate. Suppose I'm just selling anything regarding this food and drink, or maybe electronics. So we can just click any two of them. Okay, so I'm selling in electronics and computers and okay, and education and learning. So I'll click to continue. So these are physical products, and I can also make some downloadable products. So if I want to make subscription, memberships, booking, bundles, customizable products, so they are just paid. In the upcoming lecture, I will show you that how you can just make these with all other plugins, or maybe for free, but not going to pay here. So yes, I'll just make it continue. It is now going to product types from business details. So it is asking me how many products do I plan to display, maybe from 101 to 1000. And yeah, no, I'm not currently selling anywhere. Yes, on another platform is another option. And yes, I own a different store powered by WooCommerce. I don't have any store, and I'm a developer. So okay, I'm setting up a store for client. So it is recommending me few of things. I don't want these right now as they're free, but still. Okay, so now it is asking for theme. Right now it is showing me that I have this active theme, so I'll say this continue with my active theme. So this will all come after you have installed the WooCommerce plugin. Then you are in WooCommerce homepage, as you can see here. Okay, so now it is asking me to add my products. So I don't have any template. It is recommended, but I will not import via CSV or import from other service. I'll show you everything in detail in the next lectures. So I just want to go add manually. Suppose I am selling ABC, and this should be description. I'll make it A, and I will just make it B and parent category A. Okay, and next would be, it is simple product, so its price should be 500 and it is 480 sale price. The SKU is Woo 82, and I'll just enable the stock to 10, and maybe I'll just publish this one. Okay, I'm forgetting this image thing. So let it get refreshed. Okay, and now I'll just set the product image here. Okay, now it is the product image, and these are the gallery image. We'll see everything in detail in the WooCommerce lecture. So I'll just update this, and I can just see this product on this link. So So maybe we don't want this sidebar, and okay, we are seeing that our price is on sale, is price is 480. This is product name. This is 10 in stock, add to cart, the SKU, the categories, the description, and this plugin is WooCommerce product sharing. Okay, but I don't want this sidebar, so I'll go to customize. And I'll wait for it to open. Okay, so now uh, I'll okay, let me do one thing when I'll be going to this customizer and this WooCommerce complete customization, because it is the next point. Uh, this so I'll be coming into this customizer and fix this. Okay, let me just add new one. And it will open the new page. Okay, so I want this as ABCD, and here, and I'll just put the category. Okay, so it is full width here. Okay, so maybe for that product, yes, content layout is default. So I'll make it full width and without the title. So maybe it shouldn't display that sidebar now. And for the next second product, I'll also do the same, and I'll just make it full 500, and in inventory is Woo 83. Maybe for this, I'll enable the stock, and the stock is 2. It will show that it is loan stock because threshold is 2. Okay, so now I'll upload this product image. Maybe this one. And I'll publish this. And okay, let's just see this product, and this first product as once again. Let it be open. So now you'll see it has no sidebar here. Okay. and we have like this product here, and this header has weird big size. So I'll just go into this custom header first, and I'll make the size smaller, and I'll give the margin bottom just to see the page in case. So it is now also showing this one, and this sale is related because it has the same category. It is showing description here and images here. Okay, so I'll go into this section and I'll make this 70 minimum height, maybe 50. 70 is good. Yes, then it is loan stock. Okay, so now where were we? We have these two products plotted here, and then the next part would be the theme customization options. So I'll just go into customizer and I'll go to WooCommerce. You can see we have now this customizer after the WooCommerce plugin installation. Then we have this store notice. What is that? Suppose if I want to enable this store notice, it will start bidding in this footer, maybe. Yes, and this will showing this. Okay, welcome to Daniel's shop. Okay, we can also dismiss it from here. Every time it will pop up. I'll just publish it and I'll just refresh this page and see if it comes at first or not. Okay, it is here, so I'll just dismiss it. So this was the only thing as for this store notice. Now in general, we have removed WooCommerce featured products. I don't want to display that. The category is default, style is default, and wish list is DIC. WC wishlist, it is the same name as plugin. These are the two plugins which are supported as wishlist onto this specific theme. And on sale badges should be in square, and maybe it can be circular. It will just change here. Yes, and it should show percentage. It shouldn't say only sale. How many percent is offering from the website? So it should show, and if we're not displaying featured image as well. So okay, well, publishing these changes, and then we have this menu cart, and we have cart right here. So if it is empty, it should be hidden, so it is up to you. And display mini cart on mobile, and it will just show the card icon on mobile, and visibility is set to all devices. We can see the card icon. Does the bag should have bag style? It is up to us. Okay, then this is the color setting with the bag. Okay, the menu card should be drop down. we have the style compact. Okay, so these are just color settings. And then we have this archives. These are related to blogs or products. So we will be seeing if you have some products as archives, and if I want to show them, display the products not by the subcategories and product categories. The sorting should be the custom ordering, and it shouldn't be showing the sidebars. Then shop post per page, many products per page should be 12, and columns are 3. This is related to grid view button settings. Okay, the product default style is I want to hide image of the product or category or title. Maybe I want to just don't display the star rating, a list description, as just everything is fine for me now. And image swap product meta product entry data is image swap. Okay, and display quick view button on every product. So this will all displayable when we will be working on WooCommerce page. And then will be, and this is the pagination style, so I'll just publish it. Okay, let me go to the single product. Suppose we have this single product, so it should display that product. So it is totally here. And this is for the cart page, what option is give us, and this is for the checkout. The company name is optional, the address line is optional, the phone is required. Everything is highlighted by asterisks. A privacy policy is set to any page or terms of condition page. Okay, so things goes like that. Then we have this advanced styling. So maybe not here. So on sale background color, the sale color. So everything related to WooCommerce colors here. Every button or anything, any icon, any color, everything is right here. Okay, suppose let me give you an example. If I want to make this sales color, yes. So every setting regarding to products is here. Okay. Then after the advanced styling, we have the product images settings. So how about the main image width and thumbnail width and the cropping? So these were the settings related to the customization of WooCommerce. So next thing is the designing of homepage of web shop. So I currently want this to be in the next lecture, because in the next lecture we'll be designing the complete layout of the front web shop. So it is up to you that if you want to design homepage, but when I'll be designing the homepage, I will be also putting some like products in the front page or blogs in the front page, or the main huge slider, or the counter, anything like that I have designed in my mind. But it is up to you that if you people want to design any homepage by tomorrow's lecture. This is the short lecture, I know, but not so much short. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes short, 15 minutes short, but I have done it on purpose because I want you people to design this homepage. and I'll just check everyone's homepage tomorrow, and I want you all to be part of the tomorrow's class, and please be in the class, and I want to just check until this for all of the students, and it can be graded. So I want you all people to be in the class. Okay, thank you for today's lecture. Bye for now.